The topic for this session is descriptive analysis for qualitative data. You have already an in-depth insight for qualitative data. So I will do a quick review for you people for qualitative data. Then inshallah we will learn about common methods utilized in qualitative data in another session. So as you know that qualitative data is also called categorical data. It represents non-numeric information such as labels, categories, or attributes. For example, gender are the attributes, marital status is the status for their marriage, and favorite color are also labeled as uh, different names like red, blue, and green. So all these are qualitative variables. If you see, none of them are able to be measured as quantitative. We cannot measure quantity of gender, or we cannot measure gender in quantitative way. We cannot measure the color in quantitative way as well. So there are few further separation of qualitative data into measurement scale like nominal data. They are only uh, distinguished by its name with no intrinsic order. There is no natural order. And for ordinal data, there are natural order, but no consistent difference like satisfaction level, low, medium, and high. So descriptive analysis helps summarize qualitative data by understanding the distribution of categories. Like you want to know how many uh, babies are born with preterm and how many babies are born as low birth weight, it will help you to make the policy or for their treatment. It will help to make the plan for their treatment. So identifying pattern and trends, preparing data for visualization, and definitely frequency tables, percentage and proportions, chart bar and graphs are also used. Here, percentage and proportions are also called rates and ratios. In the next lecture, I have given a very detailed content on percentage and proportions, and I hope you will learn those content as well and apply to your daily routines in your hospitals and health setups. For example, you can make a frequency table like gender. There are categories male and female, and there are 40 male and 60 male, 60 female. You can also include percentage for better understanding like this. Bar charts are used to visualize frequency of categories. Each category is presented as bar and the height indicates its frequency. Definitely you have already learned. This is very basic. Y-axis is category and X-axis, on x-axis there are categories and on y-axis there are frequencies. Like the similar example, you can convert them into percentages, and pie chart and bar chart are useful solutions to display your such a kind of data like this. If there are gender and satisfaction level, this is cross tabulation. In cross tabulation, most always there is one more than one variable is involved, like gender and satisfaction level. It helps to analyze pattern or association. Remember, this is only to cross tabulation is only help to understand about association and link between more than one variable. So the important thing is to interpret the result, you must need to identify the most and least frequent categories, compare proportion to find dominant groups, use visual like bar or pie charts for better communication. You can see, for example, 60% of the respondents are female and male are more likely to report satisfaction from the table. But for to check the significance level, you need to apply chi-square test to have your p-value so that you can conclude it scientifically and draw your conclusion. In summary, definitely quantitative data helps to qualitative data helps to make different kind of decisions where numerical data is not involved, like age and HP level and height, weight. Qualitative data is most widely occurred in health setups, and it can be visualized using frequency table, bar charts, and pie charts. and cross-tabulation help to analyze the pattern relationship. And for better understanding, you have to be very clear interpretation of result that can aid decision making. So in next session, it may be little bit hectic for you to remember few definitions, formulas, and I have given very detailed examples in that session, but you have to learn these things. So see you in next session. Thank you very much.